DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
Helping us arrived, and just like that, they're trying to get us into the van. And I'm like, really? The whole family, they've already told me, look, if you get into that van, it's not like you're done. Like it's going to be a madness. Before you know it, few scuffles, here and there. I got bucked in my chest. Like, we're talking, a police officer with an AK-47 is 39 rounds, gun bucking me in my chest when I've done nothing whatsoever. 3 times. Obviously, back then I was a bit more asthmatic, so it got a bit crazy right there and there. And before you know it, a few of us got into the van, but then the rest of the crowd just came out. Literally, what we're all doing here right now, literally happened in the area. Everyone came out, they blocked the thing. But all I'm saying is, yeah, it's not nice for people like us that want to go back home and reconnect to where we're from originally to be scared of police. Nowadays, when I go back, I hire the police to protect me from the police. It makes no sense whatsoever. But all I'm going to say is, end SARS now. God bless.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We're going to take the next story from Montreal.
Guys, we have your t-shirt free on. Let them see it.
Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Susan Lawani. I recently had an encounter with the Nigerian government. It also involves SARS. I went home March 21st for my mom's burial. I went for my mom's burial. Go to this Lagos, from Lagos to Abuja, from Abuja to Benue, where my state is. I was fatigued, went to the hospital to get myself checked. The next thing I heard was the state government announcing my name on the news that I had COVID. That is not just, that is not just the case. On the 27th of March, I had 4 bands of armed men come to collect me from the hospital where I was.
I want to put it on now, please.
They kidnapped me literally and took me to an isolation center. From there, they transported me with armed men and guns to Abuja. I weighed on myself. They didn't allow me to do anything. For 58 days, I was in a room, not seeing anybody, no treatment, nothing. The Minister for Health said that you are saying that I have COVID. Yes, they were calling me from the presidency every day. Madam, let's sort out this issue. I said, over my dead body. I don't have COVID and I'm not going to play the games with you people. It's a political game. I'm not going to play the political game with anybody. My family is highly placed political family. I rejected them. They said, cooperate with the government. I said, no. I am not cooperating with a government that will have to stigmatize and lie against our citizens. That is my case. And my son also is in Nigeria. The first come always to take him from the house, put him upside down with God in between his legs. It's ridiculous. It's really ridiculous and appalling. The governors in Nigeria need a shift. We need a shift. We need a shift. We need a shift. The police had taken me to a crash point before we gone to get 150,000 from me for doing nothing. Nigeria, we need help.
If we don't listen to the instructions, we are going to be dispersed immediately. The police officers are already complaining.
Please move back. I'm to share her story. And if you're on the back and you're not part of the organizers or you're not sharing the story, please get off.
Can you hear me? Hello, can you guys hear me?
Is there something in front? Actually, in fact, there are people standing there. They share.
This was 10 years ago in 2010. My cousin was going to a party with his friends, and that was the last time we ever saw him. He was going to a party, and eyewitnesses said that police rounded him and some friends up. And they took them, and we went to the police. Well, my mom and her sister, so he's my auntie's son, they went to the police.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, this is a very sensitive story. We will try, but please respect the lady. Please.
Can you hear me? My cousin disappeared 10 years ago. He was rounded up by the police, him and 3 other friends. We went to the police and they extorted us. They told us they were investigating. Nothing was ever done. We never found the body. It was very traumatizing. My auntie's health deteriorated after that. She was very sick. And we basically had to pretend like we don't exist for 10 years. So this is a very triggering time for all of us in my family because, and I know many other families are in situations where their child goes out and they just disappear into thin air. So I just think that we can't get tired. If our brothers and sisters in Lagos are protesting, we have to protest alongside them. We have to stand with them. We have to voice out like our rage, and we have to just continue fighting. So every time you get tired, just think of all the people that are missing. Some people go out, they never come back home again. So please, we have to end SARS. End SARS now! End SARS now!
Thank you very much. Unfortunately, we cannot take another story. Can people please take 3 steps back? Take 3 steps back, please. Thank you very much. 3 steps back. Thank you. I can't move from here until you do so. The police are right behind us, and we need you guys to respect protocol.
Can we please move back, please? A bit. Let's move back, please. Thank you. Please, 3 steps back, please. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, please, we have the respectable police, UK police behind us. They've been very civil. Can we also be very civil by just taking a step either to the left or to the right, the great distance between you and the next person? Please. Can the people in the back hear me? If you can hear me, just tap the person in front of you and say, I'm moving back. Just do that, please. Come on, guys. Ladies. Wash the weave as well on the hairstyle. On the bed, please. Right. So we're going to have Mike Aramu and Prince once again. Can we give them a round of applause?
Heritage. Heritage. Àbámi ọ̀gá mi, well done sir. Irinṣẹ́ ńlá. Babagba. Heritage of London is here. Babagba of London. Babagba of London is here. Heritage. Babagba. Epa! Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Endsars. Can you say something to those in Nigeria? Stay strong, endsars. We are right behind you from the UK, Canada, anywhere we are right behind you. Stay strong from people. Thank you very much. Can you say something to those in Nigeria, please? Just say hello to them. You are best in UK. You are the best. Yeah, we've seen it. People are amazing in Nigeria. You know, the youth in UK keep the hope alive. You can't believe it. The youth in UK, they keep hope alive for our children back home. Definitely. That's great. Nice one. Yes. It's a very costly function. I know, exactly. That's why I said it's a hard one. Because especially when
space is very important. COVID-19 is still here, so let's make sure we protect ourselves and our loved ones. Put your masks up and step back, please. Are you tired? Are you tired? Let's get some more in here. Endsars now! 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 Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè! Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè! Everyone upstairs, put your feet up right now. Put your feet up in solidarity for Nigeria. Put your feet up in solidarity for the victims of SARS. Put your feet up in solidarity for the victims of police brutality. Put your feet up for solidarity for victims of the police in Nigeria. Those that have been murdered, those that have been raped, those that have been extorted, those that have been kidnapped, those that have disappeared, those that we don't know where they are today, those that have been shot, those that have been killed. Put your fists up. Put your fists up. Endsars now. 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 Endsars now.
ṣé kí n ra interview mo lè ṣe. Bàbá mi, àmọ́ wà ọ̀ṣẹ́ àmà mi bàbá. Ẹ̀yin lẹ fún mi, mo like you, you are great, God bless you. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe Ọlọ́run á bless yín. Nífẹ̀ẹ́ anybody ṣàwátì, agbá Ọlọ́run.
During this period, we know a lot of young people that are jobless, that are unemployed, that are on the streets of Nigeria protesting every day and night. Those guys have it really hard. So if you can in any way and any shape or form support them, please donate to them whichever way you can, because those guys are doing a great job. A lot of them don't have jobs, they're unemployed, they're out of school, they're on the street day and night. And we're solidarizing with them. Please guys, this is very important. Please. Can I ask that we please spread out, because the police is going to shut it down if we don't. Please spread out. There's enough space behind over there, and there's enough space over there. Guys, please, I am on my knees, please spread out.
You're lying, you become another Buhari. Oh, yeah, right.
So this song is a song that I want you guys to sing along with me. So I'm going to take it slowly. And it's called Ain't No Need to Worry. Ain't no need to worry what the night is gonna bring. 'Cause it will be all over in the morning. Ain't no need to worry what the night is gonna bring. 'Cause it will be all over in the morning.
Heritage, ṣe lè máa rí ibìkan fi eléyìí kọ́.
Sorry guys, excuse me.
Àwọn tó ń wo àwọn 500 and something ló ń wo lọ́wọ́.
No, ẹ má stop ẹ o. Ẹ má stop ẹ o.
Ọ̀nà àwọn ohun.
Nǹkan tó lò kí fún mi lọ pé Facebook lè kí n ṣe sí nìyẹn.
Facebook lè kí n ṣe sí.
YouTube.
Ok.
Akin máa pín ìpadà ní.
Ẹ bá lè connect ẹ̀ kan lè connect ẹ̀ sí.
Máa pín ìpadà sí.
500 ló ń wo lọ́wọ́ báyìí pẹ̀lú connect ẹ̀ mọ́ tí.
Ok, mi ní ṣe tàbí ìmọ̀ báyìí máa ṣe sórí Facebook. Ok, I ṣe sórí Facebook ní báyìí.
Ẹ ṣe sórí Facebook. Ṣé ẹ lè ní ìtẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe sórí Facebook kan máa lọ lórí YouTube?
Ó lè ṣe.
Ẹ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà.
Ẹ̀bẹ̀ fóònù ló máa ṣe ti
Mi ti ẹ̀ bínú kan ọ̀rọ̀.
wọ́n máa gbé kí ló ṣe Facebook.
Ṣé máa gbé sókè ẹ̀sìn?
I think I'm hoping so.
Solidarity forever, solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. How many people Sassy go kill? Sassy go kill, oh. How many people Sassy go kill? Hey, they must kill us, fire. Hey, they must kill us, fire. Hey, they must kill us, fire. How many people Sassy go kill? How many people Soldier go kill? How many people Soldier go kill? How many people Moko go kill? They go kill us, tire. They go kill us, tire. How many people Soldier go kill?
Guys, please spread out. We beg you.
Say you.
Police are not Nigerian police. They have respect for human rights. So let's respect ourselves and have some distance to leave. Could you please step down before they kick us out? Thank you. I see you moving. Thank you. God bless you. And as I was saying, we are started and we will not rest. Whatever we can do to support everyone social media. If you can donate. If you can make a video, make a video. Let your voice be heard. Let your voice be heard.
Be careful.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, can we have a little back? Can we just go back, please?
That's the end of SAS. Going. Station. If you want to fire me make a time. I will never follow you to that station. If you want to fire me make a die. I will never follow you to that station. SAS going to hell. SAS going to hell. SAS going to hell. SAS, they are going to hell. All we are saying. SAS, they are going to hell. SAS. endsars. Endsars right now.
Can we get all the organizers, everyone in the group, can you please just come and stand up here? Everyone in the group. All right, excellent. Okay, can we have all the organizers?
We don't get leader.
Okay, guys, we just want to say
boys in Nigeria.
All I want to say to you is keep fighting, keep struggling. We are here, we are fighting for you. I'm coming next week to join you. We will be there to fight together. No more corruption, no more SARS. End everything now. It's our time. You to take over. End SARS now. More power to our people. Youth, I owe you. You always give my support.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. That's my brother. Forever, you will always fight for your rights.
okay, thank you so very much, everyone, for coming out tonight. I just want you to see the faces of all the organizers.
Remove the IG! Remove the IG! It's very important. Remove the IG! Remove the IG! It's very important. It's very important. It's very important. Remove the IG. The IG is a killer. Nigeria IG is a killer.
Thank you so very much, everybody. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, every one of you in Nigeria, all over the world. This is United Kingdom and SARS. They are doing great. We hope to do this all over the world to make Nigeria life.
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.